Here's our Bellinger canoe. We've put 3 coats of undercoat on here, and I'm going to sand back because I know I've got some humps and hollers and high and low spots, and then I'll finish it off. We should have done or should have taken more care in the preparation, but like most things, you're in a hurry, you think you got it right. But as soon as I put the first coat of undercoat on, I could see a whole heap of high and low spots. So I've filled as many of those in as I can, so I'm going to sand flat now and then come back and put 2 or 3 more coats over the top, then do the final sand, and that'll give me a really good finish. This is a good example of power sanding. I'm using a 5-inch Makita random orbital sander, and they're good for taking stuff off fast, but you can really cut through easy if you're not careful, and this is a good example where I've gone right to the end. It's probably low spots in here anyway, which has allowed me to cut into it, and you can see we didn't do enough preparation when we first did it, because I've now got where I've cut through, where I've glassed the seam, but either side are low spots. So when I've sanded, I've cut back through it. I'm going to sand this all back now, and now that I've got it back, I'm just using 80 grit, and that's the 80 grit there, and once I get it down, I'll then put the 2 to 3 coats over the top, and that'll sort out. You can even see here, look where we've dug in when we've been sanding. Use the random orbital sander to clean up the edges. See, that's what a random orbital sander will do. It creates divots, and you've got to be careful of that, digging the edge in, because it will affect your finish. Anyway, once we've finished this old girl, she'll look $1 million.